All right, welcome colleagues and friends and students and everyone. Are you ready for this question? I am sure you're going to say, yay! You're welcome to VINDAL'S Academy. Let us see how we can do justice to this question. The first thing I'm going to do is to make sure that these in the same base with the left hand side. Everything must be at the same base, all right? So I'm going to start by saying 2 raised to power 2x squared plus 15x plus 7 is equal to 2 raised to power 0. Did I change anything? Of course, no. I didn't change anything because 2 raised to power 0 is 1. Any number raised to the power of 0 is mathematically said to be 1. So this is the same. Now, according to exponential equation, when the same two sides of the equation have the same base, their powers can be equated. Therefore, this has automatically turned to a quadratic equation. So I'm going to have 2x raised to power 2 plus 15x plus 7 is equal to 0. All right, so because of these two, I'm going to multiply 2 to 7 and I'm going to have 14. My question now should be, what are those factors of 14 that can give me 15 when I add them? For example, factors of 14 are going to be 2 and 7. But if I say 2 plus 7, will I have 15? The answer is no. So I'm going to change. All right, I'm going to have 14 and 1. So this is going to be 1 and 14. 1 times 14 is going to give me 14. But 1 plus 14 is going to give me 15. Therefore, I'm going to have that 2x squared plus, instead of writing this 15, they are 1 and 14. I'm going to have x plus 14x. Right? Then plus 7, and this is equal to 0. Now that I put it in this form, I'm going to factorize these two. There is something most math teachers do which I don't like. They will put the bracket this way. When you have minus between them, that is when you understand the reason I hate it so much. All right, so let's go. I'm going to factor out the x. So I'm going to have x bracket 2x plus 1. Am I correct? Yes, that's fine. Because x times 2x is going to give me 2x squared. And then x times 1 is going to give me x. That is fine. So I'm going to put my plus. All right. I'm going to have 7 and 14 have 7 in common. So I'm going to have 7 brackets. 7 times what will give me 14x? It's going to be 2x. So 7 times 2x is 14 plus 1. And everything is equal to 0. So I'm going to have x plus 7 and 2x plus 1 all equal to 0. All right. So I'm going to have that x plus 7 must be 0, or then 2x plus 1 may be the 0. Because two terms multiply each other to give 0 means that one of the terms must have been the 0. So, and I don't know one of the terms. So let's find out. So this is going to be x is equal to be minus 7, or x is going to be minus 1. You know, taking plus 1 to the other side of the equation is negative, divided by 2. So these are the two factors that would have made this to be equal to 1. Maybe one of the times you could just try and put on the value of x here to see if 2 raised to power, whatever you get, will give you 1. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of the class. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Always like the video, share it, and comment. Have a nice day.